What is up, YouTube? Hoover the Greatest here, back again for another YouTube video once again. Yeah, so today I'm gonna be reacting one of my favorite childhood shows of all time, Adventure Time. But it's gonna be the one of out of content, because the last video that I did was the Amazing World of Gumball, but without a content. But I think it's hilarious to me because that's what people are saying these days. So, but this time I'm doing Adventure Time. So, hope y'all can enjoy this. So here we go. In 3, 2, 1.
I win!
I'm not afraid of you!
Oh no.
What have you done?
What have we done?
Let's get the director's accessories, please.
Okay, time for the show!
I have to use my sound sword now!
Wow.
Come on, bro. Taking pain is easy. You just have to imagine that every bruise is a hickey from the universe. And everyone wants to get with the universe.
New trick! It's snowing! It's snowing for you!
I found a school of goldfish beasts. And I fooled around in the Fire Kingdom. Oh, and check these out.
Nuts?
Oh, these aren't just ordinary nuts.
Yeah, okay.
You play! And starting a new song! Jake!
The director's right this way, Director. Director? The director's here to see you.
Listen, the play started out good, but it didn't have any relatable characters. Football!
Now to savor the moment. It's just you and me, baby.
What the?
Starch is feeling healthy again. A bit too healthy, if you ask me.
Brother, stop that!
We hate you. Ich bin so glücklich. Ich könnte.
I said, look off, Mom! What?
Vroom vroom?
Halalala.
I think it looks cool.
Nice.
Oh! Huh. Beemo, throw your plate at me.
Okay.
Yeah, Beemo, show me the stuff. Keep it coming. Yeah, Beemo, unleash the beast!
Yeah! Unleash the beast!
Come on, Beemo, bring it. That's nothing.
Ew.
You're weak, Beemo! You okay, Beemo?
I'm no match for the tank suit.
That's right.
Just don't scream!
What?
I'm gonna push you underwater with my jowls. Just don't scream! Don't scream! Don't scream! Hold your breath, Finn! You got it, dude!
Ah! Give me away, Jake! Now, Jake! Now, right now!
Oh!
Give me away!
Finn! Stop it! Finn! Ow! Ow!
What the heck, man? Huh? You really smell Jake! Jake!
Finn. I'm old.
Boo! Now it's too relatable.
Dog, the Jake suit is mad strong. This junk can protect me from anything.
Sorta. Wait, bro, what are you doing up here? You know I'm not like actual armor, right?
Zap, top of flip off the tree!
No!
Ride him, cowboy! Woo! I want to turn this diamond into something complex and awesome to really wow Jake.
Well, I recommend building a windmill.
A diamond windmill. Beamo! Beamo!
Beamer Chop! If this were a real attack, you'd be dead.
Only
Oh! Okay, wow. But some of those stuff are so crazy to me. And Lemongrab is the most craziest character of the entire show. The Lemongrab voice sounded more like Morty from Rick and Morty. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll be back next time. Hoover the Greatest, signing off.